Hi everyone, this is Stella and welcome back to Stellar Music Theory. Today we will go over Chapter 10 of Grade 1 in the new ABRSM Workbook series Discovering Music Theory. Chapter 10 is on terms and signs. In this chapter, you will learn about the musical terms and signs that you need to know for Grade 1. Terms and signs. Dynamics. Dynamics means the loud and soft in music. As we know, notes on the staff tell us which pitches to play and how long to play them for. They give us all the information we need to play the pitches and rhythms in a piece of music. However, notes on their own do not tell us how loudly or how quickly to play, or what other kinds of expressions should be included. Terms and signs are used to add this important information to the music. Let's take a look at the box here. All the terms you need to know for Grade 1 are in Italian, and some of them have abbreviations or signs. The following terms tell us how loud or soft to play the music. They are called dynamics. So on the left column here we have the Italian term, and on the right side we have the meaning. Fortissimo, with the abbreviation FF, means very loud. Issimo means very. Forte, with the abbreviation F, means loud. Fortissimo is forte with the word issimo after it, so it means very loud. Mezzo forte, with the abbreviation MF, means moderately loud. The word mezzo means half, so it's kind of like medium loud or moderately loud. Pianissimo, abbreviation PP, means very quiet. Piano, with abbreviation P, means quiet. And therefore, again, when you add issimo after the word piano, it becomes very quiet. Mezzo piano, with abbreviation MP, means moderately quiet. Crescendo, with abbreviation CRESC, or sometimes it can be represented as an arrow, like this. It means gradually getting louder. Decrescendo, or abbreviation DECRESC dot, sometimes it can be shown as this arrow. It means gradually getting quieter. Diminuendo, with abbreviation DIM dot, or this sign, which is the same as decrescendo, means gradually getting quieter. Notice that decrescendo and diminuendo mean the same thing. Did you know mezzo means half in Italian, so mezzo forte literally means half loud. You might be interested to know how the piano got its name. Its full name is pianoforte, which means quiet and loud. It was so named because it was the first keyboard instrument of its type that could play both quietly and loudly, depending on how forcefully the player pressed the keys. Theory in sound. Find examples of these Italian terms for dynamics in your music. Can you play or sing each passage of music as directed? Exercise 1. Tick one box for each question. Question A. What is the Italian word for very loud? The answer is fortissimo. Question B. What does mezzo piano mean? Mezzo piano means moderately quiet. Next, tempo. Here are the terms you need to know that describe tempo, which is the speed of the music. On the left-hand column, we have the Italian terms, and on the right side, we have the meaning. Allegro means quick. Allegretto means fairly quick. Moderato means at a moderate speed. Andante means at a medium speed, or sometimes we'll say at a walking pace. Adagio means slow. Accelerando or the abbreviation ACCEL dot means gradually getting quicker. Rallentando, or RALL dot means gradually getting slower. Ritardando, with the abbreviation RITARD dot or RIT dot, means gradually getting slower. A tempo, which means in time, or resume the original speed. Did you know terms describing tempo are often written bold at the start of a piece or section of music, like this? Exercise 2. Tick one box for each question. Question A. What is the Italian term for quick? The answer is allegro. Question B. What does andante mean? It means at a medium speed. More Italian terms. On the left side, again, we have the terms, and on the right side, we have the meaning. Cantabile means in a singing style. Da capo, or the abbreviation D.C. means repeat from the beginning. Dolce means sweet. Fine means the end. El fine means up to the end. And they always go with da capo, which means repeat from the beginning until you see the word fine. Legato means to play smoothly. Staccato, or abbreviation STACC dot, means to play in a detached way. Exercise 3. Tick one box for each question. Question A. What is the Italian word for sweetly? The answer is dolce. Next, signs. This time, on the left-hand column, we see some Italian sign, and on the right side is meaning. We have a big arrow. It means gradually getting louder, and it's the sign for crescendo. Next, this is the same arrow the other way round. It means gradually getting quieter, and it's the sign for decrescendo or diminuendo. Next, we have a small arrow, which is an accent. It means to accent the note or play with emphasis. Next, we have a curved line here joining two different notes. It is a slur, which means to play or perform smoothly or to connect the two notes. Next, we have a curved line that connects two notes of the same pitch. And this is a tie. And you have to hold for the value of both notes. Next, we have a staccato, which is the dot here. Staccato means to play in a detached way. Next, we have this, or the other way. They are pause, which means you pause on the note or the rest. So you stay on that note or rest longer than usual. Next, we have this. This is a metronome mark. Here, the number 60 tells us to play at the tempo of 60 crotchet beats in a minute. As you see, this is a crotchet. So if a crotchet equals 60, it means you play at a speed of 60 crotchets in a minute. If the crotchet becomes a quaver, it means to play at the speed of 60 quaver beats in a minute. Next, we have these double bar line with two dots, which is a repeat. So if you see two sets of repeat signs, it means repeat a section between the two signs. If the first sign is missing, you repeat from the beginning. Did you know it is easy to confuse a slur with a tie? Slurs can be found over two different notes or over a group of notes, while ties link together two or more notes of the same pitch. Can you find examples of ties in this book? Exercise 4. Tick one box for each question. The first one is done for you as an example. Andante means at a medium speed. MF is the abbreviation of mezzo forte, which means moderately loud. Cantabile means in a singing style. This is the end of chapter 10. I hope you find my video useful. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading new videos regularly. Stay tuned and see you next time.